everyone. Today we're looking at phonics and we're going to look at this phonics pattern. Ab, ab, ab. Now if I was to put letters in front of this pattern, it would make a word. So let's start. Ab, ab, cab, cab. Let's do it again. Ab, ab, lab, lab. Ab, ab, tab, tab. J, ab, ab, jab, jab. And we'll do one tricky one. Consonant cluster. You see those two together? Sl. You try. Sl. Together. Sl. Ab. Slab. 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 So those are our words today. Let's see if we can practice them together. My turn. Your turn. Are you ready? Cab. Well done. Ab. My turn. Lab. Your turn. Excellent. Ab. Tab. Tab. Good. Ab, jab. Well done. Last one. Ab. Slab. Slab. We take a cab to town. We take a cab to town. Cab. They work in a lab. So science people. They work in a lab. There is a tab on my book. So a book has a little tab to say what page you're on. A tab tells you what book you're on to. I had a jab in my arm yesterday. Jab. Oh, ouch. A slab. I saw workmen make a slab of concrete. A slab. So those are the words and sentences. Well done for using the ab family today. Let's look at the words. Cab, lab, tab, jab, slab. Great phonics lesson today, everyone. Well done. If you did like this video, give that heart a little press. And if you want to subscribe to more great lessons with me, press subscribe. See you again next time. Bye-bye.